Hello and welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxing. Today we're dipping into one of the most historic corners of the Airfix archive with a kit that really earns the word classic. This is the World War II aircraft of the aces, Messerschmitt Bf109E. The original Airfix Bf109 tooling first appeared way back in 1956, which already tells you how deep its roots go. The boxing we have here dates from the 1990s, meaning that at the time this version was released, the kit itself was already around 4 decades old. That's proper Airfix heritage. Lifting the lid, there's an immediate sense of relief and surprise. It actually doesn't look too bad at all, especially considering its age. Even rarer for something like this, it appears the kit is complete, which feels like a small victory in itself when you're dealing with older archive examples. As part of the Aircraft of the Aces series, this kit isn't just about the aircraft, it's about the story behind it. The Messerschmitt Bf109E was one of the defining fighters of the early Second World War, followed by some of the Luftwaffe's most well-known aces and forever linked to their air battles over Europe and Britain. The parts reflect their era, but there's a charm in that simplicity. This is moulding as it once was, fewer parts, clearer intent, and a strong focus on the subject rather than the surface detail. It's a fascinating reminder of just how long some of these kits have been part of the Airfix story, evolving through new boxings and series while keeping their original DNA intact. And if you've enjoyed this look back through the archive, don't forget to like and subscribe for more retro unboxings.